Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain adjectives and types of adjectives. So let's start. An adjective is word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. It may be used just before the noun, that is attributive position, and as a linking verb, that is predicative position. So, adjective is a word that describes, modifies, or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun, and its primary function is to add some specificity, detail to the noun it is associated with. So, adjective can come before the noun. If it comes before the noun, then it is in attributive position, and after the noun or after a before the noun and after a linking verb, then it is called as a predicative position. Example, this is an Indian dish. So here Indian tells us where the dish comes. Yes, that is its origin and is placed before the noun, that is dish. So adjective is in attributive position. Next, this dish is Indian. So here Indian is in predicative position. Here Indian is in attributive position and here Indian is in predicative position because it follows the linking verb is and describes the subject dish. So Indian is in predicative position. Okay, now let's see what are the types of adjectives. First one is descriptive adjective. Qualitative adjectives or descriptive adjectives show the kind of quality of a noun. Example, cold water, green leaves, sunny afternoon. Descriptive adjectives are also known as qualitative adjectives, which describe the merits and demerits, shape and size, color and form, and qualities like good, bad of a person, thing are called as qualitative adjective. Okay, adjectives. Example, cold water, green leaves, sunny afternoon. So here cold water, in this cold describes the temperature of the water, and here green describes color of the leaves, and sunny describes the weather at afternoon. Okay, next one is quantitative adjectives. The adjectives which express the quantity of a thing. Example, few students, several books. So here quantitative adjectives, it shows how much quantity of thing is meant. Okay, so example, few, here few students, in this few indicates a small number of students. Yes, and several books, here several suggests more than two but not many books. Okay, it shows the quantity. So these are the quantitative adjectives. Next one is numeral adjectives. So these adjectives show number. They are 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, all, some, few, etc. So adjectives that shows numbers are called numeral adjectives, like 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, and many, few, some, several, a few, all, etc. Okay, so these numeral adjectives are they are divided into two kinds. Okay, first one is definite numeral adjectives and second one is indefinite numeral adjectives. So what is definite numeral adjectives? Definite numeral adjectives refers to specific people or thing. Okay, it gives specific number like 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. And what is indefinite numeral adjectives? When indefinite numeral adjectives are more general and they are frequently used when precise identity of noun is not known. Okay, when the specific number is not known, then indefinite numeral adjectives are used like all, few, several, etc. And the next one is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, which person or thing is meant. Example, this apple, that bike. So here the adjectives which points to some person or thing are called demonstrative adjectives. So this apple, that bike. Here this refers to a specific apple near the speaker. That bike, it refers to it specifies one particular bike, that. Okay. Next one is distributive adjectives. An adjectives that refers to members of a group individually. Example, each, every, either, neither. Distributive adjectives are those that points to persons or things singly or collectively in a group. Okay, collectively or singly it points out to the person is known as distributive adjective. Example, each and every, either, neither. So first one is each boy will show his homework. Here each refers to every boy will show his homework. Next example, you can take either road, this or that. So either indicates you can choose one of the two roads, this or that. Next one, interrogative adjectives. What, which, whose. So when they are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Example, which book do you want? So adjectives that ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Example, which book do you want? Here which ask specific choice. Okay. Next one is possessive adjectives. Adjectives used to express who owns or possess something. So possessive adjectives, they shows ownership or relationship. Okay. Example, my, our, your. This is my bike. Here my indicates that the bike belongs to the speaker. Okay. Next one is emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives can vary in intensity. It lays emphasis on the noun. Example, extremely, incredibly, very, own. Emphasizing adjectives, it's making it very clear what you mean by speaking with force, with expressing a strong emphasis. Okay. So example, extremely, incredibly, very, own. I saw it with my own eyes. Here speaking with force and expressing a stronger emphasis with my own eyes. Okay. And same here, his own book was lost, and here also own book is emphasizing word. Okay. Next one is exclamatory adjectives. And exclamatory adjectives are used to express strong feeling about a noun or pronoun. The word what is sometimes used as an exclamatory adjectives. So these exclamatory adjectives, they are used to express the strong feelings and emotions, okay, about a noun or pronoun. Like example, what a joke, what nonsense this is. Okay. Next one, proper adjectives. Adjectives formed from proper nouns are called proper adjectives. So proper adjectives, it usually refers to the nationality, religion, or specific individuals. Formed from proper nouns are called proper adjectives. Example, Chinese noodles or Indian culture. Some more example like Shakespearean plays, American culture, or English language. Hope you all understood. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.